Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. I'm Chini or Agustin, 29 years old. I'm single. I have 4 brothers and I'm the only one girl. I'm second in the family. I'm college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
My work experience as domestic helper in Qatar. I'm 2 years and 6 months. 2 years and 6 months. I served 7 members of the family, 1 elderly, 4 adult, and 2 children, aged 4 and 5, sir.
Can you tell me your responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, washing, ironing, and the main duty is taking care of the children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I will check the body temperature and I will also call the employer, sir.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, kind, and responsible, sir.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to help my family and especially to my brother for schooling, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, who will take over your responsibilities at home? If you get hired, who will take over your
My
responsibilities
mother,
at
sir.
home?
My mother.
Okay. If you're homesick, what would you do?
If I'm sick, sir, I will focus on my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and I woke up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
Stay calm and
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help them do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. And 1 for a monster, and 1 for my day, and 1 for a little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
My message to my employer, if you hire me, madam, I will take my duties and responsibilities to serve as your family. Thank you.
Okay.